The BST LIFE values were a team effort. We asked every individual within the organisation what their personal values were and then what they believed the company values should be. So the end result, BST LIFE, was a gathering of all that information and really shows what the people within the organisation believe. B, boldness, is getting the job done. Encouraging our employees to be bold, to say what they think, to solve the problems and deliver the results. Sincerity is the S of the BST. Sincerity is being open and honest and transparent when dealing with not only internal departments but external customers and partners. By doing that, you get a better response, you get more willingness from the other partner, and it makes life easier. T, teamwork. Teamwork's a key to everything, both internally and externally. We work as a team throughout the different departments, but we also work as a team with our partners and our suppliers and our customers. The next value is loyalty. Loyalty, again, we have a low turnover here at BST because we value our people, we respect our people, and in return they give us loyalty. Same to our customers and our partners. The more loyal you are to those customers and partners, the better growth you get within the organisation, both for your own organisation and their organisation. I, innovation. That is all to do with Detectable products. Detectable products is an innovative product to help with the safety in food manufacturing. Not only are innovative on the product side of things, developing products that our customers need, but also on the service side and our system side of things, always trying to improve in service and product. F, family. Family is so important to BST. We're a small organisation. We've got 26 employees. We're all close, we all respect each other, we all support each other, and that makes for a nice environment to work in. Again, reducing the turnover of staff and encouraging people to think outside the box and not be afraid to talk to managers and put forward ideas. E, empathy. Listening. We love to listen to our people. We want an open door type policy within the organisation. It's always good to take on other people's opinions, consider them, don't just reject them, talk about it. Even if at the end of the day we don't take those opinions on board, it's still a good thing to listen to it and take on board everybody's opinions. That way people feel respected, they feel valued, and again, the company benefits from that.